Tsaka, super sexy. Hindi yan, ay lumalabas. So, ganito na guys. So, kapag tayo ay nalalamigan, hindi natin pwede ito suot. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Sino dito? Hoy, shout out. Sino dito? Guys, ito na. Sinuot ko na. Okay na ba? Hoy, ang inyong mommy. Pwede na ba? Okay, diba? So, iyan ang kagandahan. Kung may nagbili nito dati, so, bunggahan, o, diba? Sana naka-enjoy siya nito. So, napaka-baby pink niya. Napakaganda. Diba? Napakaganda, diba? So, yun na yun. So, thank you so much for watching. Hope enjoy kayo. And mag-end ako ng ating live. O, diba ganda? Ganda siya, guys. Yung, para ito naman for summer. So, ganito na super lamig. Not advisable to guys na ito ang isuot kasi magkasakit ka dito. Sakit yung likod mo. Ano? Pag, you want to wear this, of course, you need to wear the camel. No? So, what is this? Ito guys, model-modela lang tayo dito about sa ating nighties, ganon, yung ating mga nighties na hindi natin sinusuot long time ago. Kaya tinatry natin ngayon how it looks, no? Okay. So, maganda naman talaga guys, no? Kapag nag-sleep ka nga, naka-nighties ka, diba? Parang feeling comfortable ka. Hi, Mary Grace. Are you still there? Sa Pilipinas, this is ordinary lang to sa Pilipinas. Magsuot ka lang ng sleeveless, ganon, diba? But here in the Middle East, like, parang awkward na kasi you're not used of wearing this like this, diba? So, yeah, kami dito, I am not using this, no? Like, for example, in the public, what I mean, we're not allowed to wear this in the public. Yes, like this in the live, but at this time, I'm trying myself. Trying na ang lola. So, guys, so, anong gagawin ko dito? I-model-model ko na lang. Why? I'm just putting inside the cabinet and didn't wear it. What is that? So, ito guys, it is yours. Kumbaga, it's special for you guys. For my mga followers dito. So, I'm just only showing you guys if it is okay, right? So, I think it's nice to say goodbye na everyone and good morning. And it's already 5 AM, no? So, thank you so much. May pictorial naman tayo dito para sa ating thumbnail. Bye everyone! Thank you so much. So, napakaganda lang guys ng kanyang ng kanyang kulay. Napaka baby pink, diba? So, kailangan pala to adjust, no? This is adjustable mga langga, no? Guys, ngayon nyo lang ako talaga makikita nga nagasuot ng mga ganyan-ganyan. Actually, I'm not using of this, no? In the public because I feel shy, no? Okay na pala, guys. It is adjustable ang strap. Kung sa Pilipinas ka magsuot, guys, napaka-awkward. Sa Pilipinas, when you wear this, when you wear in the Philippines or any country, open country, like it's normal, no? But here, like it's awkward, no? Kasi you are not used wearing of this. Okay, thank you so much. At ako'y mag-photoshoot na, guys. Photoshoot ang inyong ante. Okay, mag-photoshoot tayo. Thank you so much and bye-bye na. Okay, bye-bye.